Hello everyone, today I am sharing my realistic bedtime ritual plus pamper routine as a housewife, how I pamper myself, make a good and productive night. As we all know that bedtime ritual is the most part to achieving a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, I will share everything how to make a productive night, pamper yourself and balancing your lifestyle. So guys, no wasting any more further time, let's start the video. At night time, my body feels dehydrated, unhygienic and sweaty. Basically, it's mean taking a hot or cold shower. Follow this bedtime ritual. First of all, you take a shower at night time. Prefer a good and fragrance body wash to relaxing your mind, body. Talking about water temperature is totally depends up to you. Even you take hot water, it's keep more relaxing, sleep well, also promoting blood circulation, a very relaxing method to our nerves. Don't skip your feet, legs, wash properly to your body at shower time. Next I am using Plum Night Face Wash which contains green tea. It's providing a healthy, nourishing and moisturized skin. Also, it's removing your dead skin cell pigmentation and it's suitable for all skin types. You all just take this type of shower towel for your comfortable and breathable shower. After shower, I give my skin to a natural treatment like body oiling. It's work like a natural moisturizer. As a housewife, it's little more difficult to pamper myself, but I give some time to pampering myself and stay healthy and a good and healthy lifestyle. After that, I am using a toner to maintaining my skin healthy and a plumpy and moisturized skin. Maintaining your hygiene properly. Use a good and fragrance underarm roll-on. I dry my hair because at shower time water remains. Use a good quality hair dryer for your hair to control hair breakage, hair fall and get a healthy hair. Every girl like to do a proper skincare routine at night time. Most of girls are so lazy and skip night skincare routine. Effective for the future. First of all, I am using a good moisturizer which is Ecologica Hydra Gel Moisturizer. Then I use some loose powder to fix up. Then I use Dot and Key Lip Balm to get my lips moisturizer, plumpy and nourishing lips. After that, I clean properly and make over my bedroom. Before go to your bed, make sure that you change a bed sheet, neat and clean properly to maintain and balancing hygiene. Make a productive night and romanticize your night. Just free room freshener and make a sleep well. Drinking more water at night time so that the body does not get dehydrated. Maintaining your body hydrated at night time. After that, I plan for the next day, like I make to-do list, YouTube ideas, create content, make a planner for your next day. Eat a very light food and healthy food at dinner, including nutrients, protein like egg, paneer, veggies, salads. Maintain your diet. Don't overeating, especially at night time. Remember, drink water after 10 minutes. Moving on to extremely important thing which is feet oiling. Path of Younger, the mother of all therapy. This therapy reduces stiffness, dryness, numbness of feet. Promote a healthy eyesight and hearing sense. Prevent cracks on foot. Revitalize central nervous system. Activate metabolism. Improve a good sleep quality. Massaging your hair at night time it's make more effective to your scalp, also providing a healthy and good hair. Before go to bed, just tie your hair. It's control breakage and hair fall. After that, I read Hanuman Chalisa. We should thanks to God for today, becoming a happy, healthy, and a productive day. At night time, I love to drinking some masala cold drink, just take 1 glass Sprite and add some jaljeera. Also, it helps to best digestion. I'm very conscious about my oral hygiene, and you know what everybody should do? Brush 2 times to maintaining your oral hygiene, remove from cavities, overall health and wellness. Talking about gut therapy, if you are facing acidity, drinking hot water itself with digestion, increasing blood flow, sits on Japanese technique. If you are a girl, avoid wearing tight bra or panty at night time. It's cause major fungal infection, avoid breast cancer. Just keep it free, breathable and comfortable night. After that, I love to walking at night time to digest my body. Make sure you all just body movement at night time. After that, I close all window and go for a good sleep and healthy sleep. Just turn on my AC and I go to sleep. Have a healthy and productive night. Good night. So yeah guys, that is for my today's video. I just hope this video helpful for you. Hit the like button, share and subscribe. Love you all. Okay, bye bye.